In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume sequences in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to set up a sequence and where the pause and resume controls live, so you can confidently manage outreach without losing momentum. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the trial guide. This is a convenient starting point that brings key tools into one place, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. From there, click on Sales. This switches you into the workspace where outreach, follow-ups, and automation live, and it's where sequences are managed. Next, click on Sequences. You'll land on a dashboard that lists any existing sequences along with their status and performance. If you don't see one you want to manage yet, let's create a quick example so you can access the right controls. Click Create a Sequence. HubSpot will offer several blueprints to help you start quickly. Choose the recent conversion blueprint. This is just a starting point. Think of it as a template you can tailor later. The specific blueprint isn't important for finding the pause and resume options. It simply gets a sequence into your library. Now click Create Sequence. This loads the editor where the emails, delays, and tasks are laid out in order. At this stage, we're focused on saving the sequence so it appears in your list, which is where you'll access pause and resume. Click Save in the editor to commit any default settings or changes. If you see an additional prompt to save or confirm, go ahead and click Save Again. Saving ensures your sequence is recorded and available from the main sequences page. When you're done, click Back to All Sequences. This returns you to the list view where management actions are available for each sequence. Locate the sequence you just created and click Actions. This menu is your control center for managing how the sequence runs for enrolled contacts. This is where you'll find the options to pause activity. Useful if there's a holiday, a product update, or you just need a temporary hold, and to resume it when you're ready to continue outreach. Pausing prevents scheduled emails and tasks from going out while keeping your progress intact, so nothing is lost. When you resume, the sequence picks up based on the timing rules you've set. A few quick tips as you work here. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage sequences. Give your sequences clear names so they're easy to find later. And consider testing with an internal contact first to confirm the timing and content behave as expected. That's it. You've navigated to Sales, opened sequences, created and saved one, returned to the list, and accessed the Actions menu where pause and resume live. Thanks for watching, and happy sequencing.